Hi, this is Miss Kartheiser, and I'm going to show you how to write a mixed number as a fraction greater than 1. So our mixed number here is 3 and 2/9, and a mixed number is just two parts that consist of a whole number and the fraction. So in this case, our whole is 3, our fractional part is 2/9. If we want to write it as a fraction greater than 1, that means I'm rewriting all of this as a fraction, and I don't want to see my whole number. So to start this out, we are going to break this up into a number bond of the two parts that we see. So again, we have our whole number, which is 3, and our fraction, which is 2/9. Now, I still need to get all my numbers written as fractions, so I'm going to make another number bond for 3. I can write 3 as 1, 1, and 1. So 3 ones are the same as 3. Okay. Then I'm going to take each of my ones and rewrite them as a fraction. So in this case, to rewrite 1 as an equivalent fraction, I know that my denominator needs to be 9 because my denominator in my other piece is 9, so we want to keep it the same throughout. So if I want to figure out what 1 whole would be as a fraction that has 9 parts, well, I would need to have 9 of those 9 parts shaded in or filled in to equal 1 whole. So I rewrote 1 as 9 and as 9/9. Okay, then these other groups of 1 whole can also be rewritten as 9/9. Okay, so now I've changed all of my numbers into fractions. I do not need to do anything with 2/9 right now because that's already as a fraction. Okay, so we took 3 and 2/9 and split it up into our whole, 3 wholes, and then our fraction 2/9. Then we rewrote our 3 as 3 groups of 1 whole and wrote those all as fractions. Okay, so in order to turn this into a fraction greater than 1, we just need to add up all of our parts. So I see that we have 3 groups of 9/9, and then we're going to add that to our 2/9. Okay, so another way to write that would be 9/9 plus 9/9 plus 9/9 plus 2/9. Okay, and then when you're adding fractions, you simply just add the numerators across. So I know 9 and 9 makes 18, plus another 9 is 27. 27 plus 2 more would be 29. So our numerator is going to be 29. And the denominator stays the same as a 9 because we have not changed the size of our whole. So our fraction greater than 1 is 29/9. That is the same thing as 3 and 2/9.